In this video I am creating a Python script to get a formatted string of all the mp3 files in a particular folder, in my case the audio folder. So I have already put some audio files in this audio folder, and we want all file names of these mp3 files in this format. I have also created this gfn.py file. Now let's start writing script. First of all, we will import the OS module. Now let's create base path variable. It will hold the path to the directory, in our case the audio directory. One more variable, final str, to hold the final string. Now we will use the scandir function from OS module. It takes the path as an argument. And it returns the iterator object. Now let's iterate over the iterator using for in loop. Now let's see what each entry returns. Python 3 gfn.py. So it returns the dir entry object. So every entry is the dir entry object. It has the name information in it. Let's check what it is. So it returns all the names of files. Now let's create an empty folder and see what it returns. You can see it returns folder names also. We only want the file names, so let's put if condition. If the given entry is file and if entry.name ends with .mp3. Now let's check. You can see we don't get the empty folder now. Now let's add the text file. Text file.txt. Let's check again. You can see it didn't get the text file. Now we want string in this format. Let's put the file names in final str variable. Now let's check. Okay, not the entry.name, we want to final str. Okay, so it returns all the file names with .mp3. We want it replaced by these commas. Let's put it in the temp name. And replace the .mp3 with empty string and add the temp name to the final string and put the commas. This should return the required string. Temp name is not defined. Got it. The plus, we don't want to concatenate that, so it returns the string, but we had this trailing comma. Let's remove it. So it will remove the trailing comma. Okay, so it returns the string we want.